Hello everyone, this is Jeon Jung. I will explain software-defined networking with OpenDaylight and Mininet. The contents are as follows. The first one is about the Ubuntu virtual machine installation. Secondly, OpenDaylight installation is explained. Thirdly, Mininet installation is explained. After them, I will explain SDN emulation with OpenDaylight and Mininet. OpenDaylight is SDN controller, Mininet is SDN network. The first section is about the Ubuntu VM virtual machine installation. So basically you need to download the virtual box as this is a hypervisor to make a virtual machine on top of your own operating system like Windows 11 or Windows 10 or Linux. Okay, so you click this one and then select, okay, based on your own operating system. Okay, so Windows or Linux host. Okay, so and then learn virtual box setup wizard. Okay, and then click next. Three pages like that. Okay, virtual box setup. Okay, and then custom setup. You can click these options. Okay, and then next, and then yes, click yes to proceed the installation, and then click the install, and then you can finish it installation. Okay. But you need to wait until installation finished. Okay, like this. After that, you can finish button, click, and then you click new. Okay, and then enter operating system type and click next. Okay, you specify Linux and Ubuntu. Okay, so and then enter memory size and then click next. Recommended size is 4 gigabytes. Okay, so for virtual machine, and then this one. Okay, and then next one is choose create virtual hard disk now and click create. Okay, so virtual hard disk is create a virtual hard disk now. Okay, and then choose VDI. VDI stands for virtual box disk image. Okay, so this is the type of file you would like to use for the new virtual hard disk. Okay, so if you do not need to use it with the other virtualization software, you can leave this setting unchanged. Okay, after that you can click next. Okay, and then storage on physical hardware disk, so dynamically allocated option is used. Okay, so this one is will only use the space on your physical hard disk as it fills up to a maximum fixed size, although it will not shrink again automatically when space on it is freed. Okay, next is change disk size and click create. Minimum is this 16 bytes. Okay, so previously, this is a memory size. Okay, RAM size. Okay, this is 4 gigabyte, but nowadays this is a disk size, minimum 16 byte. Okay, for virtual machine. Okay, and then download Ubuntu as a virtual machine operating system. Okay, so you can download the Ubuntu 18.4.5 latest version, stable version. Okay, and then if your machine is PC AMD 64 or Intel 64, you can select according to your the machines, okay, CPU type. Okay, and then select the new virtual machine and click, and select the download the Ubuntu image and click start, and then you can make virtual machine. Okay, so click install Ubuntu. Okay, and then click okay, select the keyboard layout language English. Okay, and then choose minimal installation and continue. Okay, so web browser and the basic utilities are installed, and then click install now, then continue. Okay, so each disk, erase disk and install Ubuntu. Okay, and then install button used, and then this step you click continue. Okay, so where are you? You select your location in Seoul in Korea, and then enter name and pass, and then continue push it. Okay, so your name, OpenDaylight, and the computer name, and the username, and the password selected. Okay, and then wait for installation, and then after installation you need to click restart now to finish installation. And then in this tutorial you need to create two virtual machine. One is for OpenDaylight, the other is for Mininet. So you repeat again. The second section is about the OpenDaylight installation for SDN controller. So according to the step, on Ubuntu virtual machine, open on terminal, and then run apt update and install this JRE image. Okay, so this is a prompt. So apt get update, you configuration for installation updated, and then you can get open JDK. This is a Java related library, and then you make sure Ubuntu point to Java 8. Okay, so you can sudo update alternative to configure Java. Okay, you can command this one. There are two choices: alternative Java, something like that, and then you click Java 8 open JDK AMD 64 JRE bin Java. Okay, and then update your bash shell resource file, bash rc file, with the following command. So the echo export the Java home, okay, directory, okay, and store into this bash shell configuration file, and then source the bash rc file, reflect this new configuration in the shell environment, Unix shell, and then ensure the Java home lives in the environment. Okay, so you can check echo Java home. You can see this is safely stored into this home directory bash shell configuration file. Okay, and then download OpenDaylight. So OpenDaylight, the box wget. Okay, so and then using this URL, and then you can get download. And then this is a taro zip file, so you can extract the taro zip file using taro. The option is -xvzf. The compression and zip file is handler. Taro is on taro. Okay, this file to run the OpenDaylight, they enter the following command. Okay, so this command cut off. Okay, so cut off command is executed. Okay, after that the Mininet installation can be done. Okay, so Mininet installation, So first of all, previously we installed the OpenDaylight, right? Now we are set up virtual network using Mininet. So first step is to create another Ubuntu virtual machine following the slides 3 through 17. Okay, so recommended memory size is this 2 gigabyte. Okay, and recommended size is 10 gigabyte. After creating the virtual machine, open a new terminal, and then so run apt update sudo apt get update. You can actuate this command, and then you can install Mininet with apt get. Okay, so apt get installation, this command, the Mininet is the target application for installation, and then check if Mininet is installed properly. So sudo mn. Okay, and then sudo mmk is no default open for controller found for default switch. Okay, so in that case we need to run service the open virtual switch. Okay, start. So service open virtual switch start. Okay, so so service open virtual switch, that switch start. After that, check if Mininet is installed properly or not. Sudo m. Okay, so sudo m password request. No default open flow control found this switch. Okay, polling bad, but we try to make some switch. Okay, but pin case we can later on we can test the ping. Okay, but pin case testing ping reachability h1 h2 h2 h1 result 0 drop. Okay, they can, because we the adding. Okay, sudo mn, and we adding host h1 h2, adding switches h1, so we can connect, make link host 1 and the switch 1, host 2 h1. Okay, so configuring host h1 h2, start controller, so start 1 switches. Okay, so s1 start the CLI. Okay, after that so ping testing is okay, executed. Okay, so Mininet. Okay, so this is a kind of a command line, this Mininet. Okay, environment, virtual environment. Okay, so the Mininet the prompt, okay, shown, and then ping or execute. Okay, this is Mininet. Okay, the finally we can make SDN emulation environment with the OpenDaylight as SDN controller and Mininet SDN network. Okay, so OpenDaylight and Mininet virtual machine network setup. To connect the OpenDaylight and the Mininet virtual machines, the network needs to be set up first. Okay, so open Oracle virtual machine virtual box manager, select the tools and click preference. Okay, select a tool and select preferences. Okay, this is Oracle VM virtual box manager, and then select the network and add a new network. Okay, so select the network and then add the new network. Okay, the company network and the virtual machine network, and then click and OK, and double click the new created network and fill blank as follows. Then click OK. So you can specify NAT network. Okay, network name, and this is a CIDR subnet. Okay, for this network and support the DHCP service, okay, for allocate the IP address under this NAT network, and then click OK. And then make sure the OpenDaylight and Mininet virtual machine are powered up. So you can check OpenDaylight and Mininet are powered up. Then select the OpenDaylight virtual machine and click setting. Okay, you can click setting, click okay, settings. Okay, so select the network and adapter 2 and check enable network adapter checkbox, and then you can click network NAT network, and then you write down the name of the network is SDN network, and then OK. So repeat steps 5 and 6 for virtual machine for a Mininet. Okay, so research this one, select Mininet, and then 6. Okay, and then we can also testing Mininet. So we made, and then Mininet virtual machine case, this is a network, this already, right? So, and then this is the previous OpenDaylight setting, this is the Mininet setting. Okay, so the settings are the same. Okay, then check the IP addresses of the OpenDaylight virtual machine and Mininet virtual machine. Okay, so using IPAS, and then shows interface, loopback interface. This is interface. Okay, so 2 interfaces. So this one is INET 19.2. Okay, 192, 168, 2 and 4/24 CIDR subnet address. This okay, and then this is actual the address, right? So OpenDaylight virtual machine IP address. Okay, and then also this is a OpenDaylight virtual machine. This is Mininet virtual machine case. The command IP option A and S, and then this is Mininet IP address. And then test connection between the 2 virtual machines with ping. Okay, so ping. Okay, so OpenDaylight. This 2.5 is this Mininet. Okay, virtual machine. Okay, so the OpenDaylight virtual machine execute this ping, and then we can see the ping message received successfully without any packet loss. And then if the shown result is as the above, then the network setup is successfully done. Okay, this is OpenDaylight and Mininet virtual machine network setup, and then we can test, especially set up network configuration and then test. First of all, in the OpenDaylight virtual machine terminal, run OpenDaylight. So the command is cut up. Okay, and the OpenDaylight is started. And then install OpenDaylight features as follows. The installation may take a few minutes to complete. Okay, so OpenDaylight, the root. Okay, feature installation, ODL, OpenDaylight. Okay, and then this API docs, ODL, OpenDaylight, let's conf, ODL, DLU, XAP, and then PS applications, ODR. The ODR, yeah, this is the one. Okay, applications, ODL L2 layer switch. Okay, so you can see this is OpenDaylight virtual machine. So you start the cutoff, and then you execute the future install command according to this parameter. Okay, and then in the Mininet virtual machine, create a new Python file for creating a custom topology. Okay, so touch this Python, make a custom topology, and edit the topology. Okay, this topology file with the text editor, and insert the following code. Okay, so okay, this is from Mininet topo, import the topo. Okay, and then some definitions, Python code, right? So host, add the host h1, h2, h3, h4, make some host, create host, and then create the switch, solve, add the switch 1 to 3, and then create the links between switches and the host. Okay, so host 1, switch 1 is connected, L2 layer link, h1 switch 1, and the same way host 2 switch 1 connected. Okay, this one, host 3 S2 switch connected using this command. Finally, host 4 and S2 connected. And then create links between switches and the hosts. Okay, and then switches and switches. Okay, the switches added. Okay, switch 1, switch 3, switch 2, switch 3. Okay, and the top host, my top, the lambda, this command is executed. Okay, and then learn on the Mininet. So sudo mn custom, this parameter is used. IP is OpenDaylight IP address from the virtual machine for OpenDaylight, and this is the port number. Specify this argument. So note, change this IP address into your actual OpenDaylight virtual machine IP address. Okay, so in this tutorial, the OpenDaylight IP is this one. Okay, we checked before, right, as shown in slide 31. So 31 OpenDaylight address is this one, and the Mininet case, this Mininet address. Okay, and then you can see the adding host and the adding link. Okay, so this is we can configure. Okay, so the custom topo 3 switch for host Python. Okay, and my topo command create a virtual Mininet topology containing 3 switches and 4 hosts. Okay, and then click if the Mininet switches are connected to OpenDaylight controller actually or not. So this is a controller, right? So ch OBS, this is OBS switch controller. Okay, and then bridge switch S1, this one is connected. Okay, and this one is also connected, this one connected. So 3 switches are connected to SDN controller. And check the flows installed in the switches. Okay, so Mininet, this prompt, this command, okay, shows the flows. Okay, and then you can see this command shows some flow table. This sort of open flow table, this is open flow table, something like that. And then try host connectivity with the ping all between arbitrary host pair, ping all, and then ping all. So H1 ping H2, H3, H4. So remaining hosts similarly perform for the other host. Okay, and then there is no dropped packet. And we can see the topology, okay, can be viewed in OpenDaylight dashboard, okay. So you can access using web browser. So this is a local address, okay, IP address, loopback address, OpenDaylight address, and 8181 port number, and then index.html base file for the web page, and topology, okay, and then default login ID is admin, default password admin, okay, and then you can see this topology, right? So we have 3 open float switches, 4 hosts are connected in this, okay, scenario. Conclusion: this tutorial introduced a software-defined networking SDN emulation with OpenDaylight as SDN controller and Mininet for SDN emulation network. With this tutorial, you can build up and test on SDN network in the emulation environment. So you can test various scenarios, some security services in SDN network. Secondly, you can measure the performance metrics, okay, of protocols such as routing protocols and security services. For example, fiber, web filter, and DDoS attack mitigator. I believe you can understand SDN and SDN controller and actual compilation based on open source like OpenDaylight and Mininet. I hope you can enjoy SDN network this semester. If you have a question, please let me know. Thank you for your attention. Okay, bye.